Okay, so this is problem 15, chapter 13 of Giancoli 6th edition. So we have a brass plug. So let me make my drawing here of my brass plug. Okay, and we want to put this plug inside the ring. And so this is my, well, let me make a better drawing, but this is my ring. All right, and initially at 20 Celsius, so I'll call this T0, T naught, at 20 Celsius, they give us the diameter of this brass plug. So this whole number is given to us. So I'll call this L initial for the plug, which is made of brass. Okay, and they also give us this diameter for the inside of this ring, which is made of a different material, is made of iron. So I'll call this L initial iron for the ring. Okay, now what happens is that at 20 Celsius, this length for the brass, this initial diameter for the brass is larger than this initial length, this diameter, inside diameter for the iron. And so I cannot put my plug inside the iron. So what we are going to do is we are going to change the temperature, and we want to know to which common temperature we have to bring these both pieces so that I can put the brass, this brass plug inside this iron, this ring made of iron. Okay, so to be able to just fit what I need, I'm going to say here what we need is that the L final of this plug made of brass becomes equal to the L final of this ring made of iron. Okay, so that's it. That's all we need. And we need to remember also the equation for linear expansion. Okay, so what is the equation? The equation for brass, what we have is the initial length of this plug plus how much it's going to expand. How much is it going to expand depends on the coefficient of linear expansion. So you have to look for this in a table. The initial length and the changing temperature. I do not know the final temperature. This is what we need to find, but I know that the initial is 20 and 20 already in Celsius, okay? And this will be equal to the length of the iron, of the ring. And what is that? Same expression, L initial for the iron plus alpha for the iron, L initial for the iron, that final temperature that we need to find, minus 20. Okay, so from this equation, we are going to find this unknown, which is what is the final temperature to which both have to be brought. Okay, so this is question A. Question B is the same thing, but what we do is now we make the plug made out of iron and the ring made out of brass. So you're going to use exactly the same equation, but now everything on this side, you're going to use iron. And everything on this side, you're going to use brass. So it's exactly the same thing. You just have to change the alpha for the plug and the alpha for the ring. And that's it. That's how you solve this problem.